Today we are going to see about Python variable and operations. First we have to see about the Python. Python is nothing but web-based programming. So web-based programming means using in their website as well as using in the World Wide Web. So World Wide Web, www. World Wide Web is an international organization. So it can be created by this CWI, Central Wiki of Information, which is the National Research Institute of Mathematical and Computer Science. So it is in Netherlands. So the variable and operations can be using in this Python programming. So it is a major use of this Python. Why should we use Python in our 12th standard? What is the use of Python? Why should we use Python programming language in higher studies? So in nowadays we are all using for Python programming language in overall entire world. So it can be developed by rapidly developed by our Institute of Mathematical and Computer Science in Netherlands. So now we have to learn about their applications using any graphical user interface and for interactive development environment, IDE. It is the main source of development committees. Interactive development, okay, and environment is based on these two things. First thing is the GUI. So what is mean by GUI? GUI is a graphical user interface. In computer there will be a maximum two different major categories. One is GUI and another one is CUI. CUI is a character user interface. GUI is a graphical user interface. CUI is a character user interface. So it can be applicated in using of graphical user interface interacted with a development and environment created by the Python Programming Institute. So why should we use the Python programming? So Python is a international programming language working in a interactive script mode from the programming. So what is mean by the script mode? So script mode means using with both Android versions as well as in this programming version. So Android version it can be also nowadays we are using for Android. So Android is a rapid development in this nowadays. So it can be worked in the script mode programming language created by assigning the variable and values of variable created by the variable a, b, c. So the value should be created by the a, b, c as well as x, y, z or p, q, r. Whatever it may be, the rhyming terms will be used for this script language. So it can be major working in a interactive and script mode programming created and assigning the values of variable. To understand the concept of using the different data in Python, what is mean by the different data types should be created in Python programming. So applications that implemented using in the different types of operations. So what is mean by the operation? There will be three type of operation. One is arithmetical operation, other one is relational operation, and other one is a logical operation. So arithmetical operation in arithmetics is plus, minus, divide and multiply symbol. So it is divided by the arithmetical operation, and other one is a relational operation. What is my relational operation? Greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, inequality. So these symbols are comes under the relational operation and logical operator. What is my logical symbol? It should be created by the some logical values. So it can be created by the OR logical gate and not values. It can be separated by the logical operation and created Python expression and statement. So this should be comes under the Python programming language. It is a major features of creating the Python programming language. So now you have to see about their introduction. Python is a general purpose of programming language created by their guidelines of National Research Institute of Netherlands. Okay, the computer science is in the Netherlands. The language was resulted in 1991. Python goes in the name from their BBC command services in the service. What is meant by BBCs? So, commanded by the services from their Python flying circuits. So, it can be created by the wide range of one programming language. So, wide range of programming language, Python support the both procedural and object-oriented programming language. So, Python support their both procedural programming as well as their object-oriented programming applications. In object-oriented programming application, it is a flexible one. It can be user-friendly. It is be their friendly user. It can be flexible by any other software by created by this link with an Python programming. So now you have to see about this Python programming created by this object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming language. So in object-oriented programming language, it can be separated by C and C++. What is the major use of C and C++? C is a top-down approach. C should be the top-down approach. C++ is the bottom-up approach. It is a major difference of C and C++. So it can be created by the both there, supported by both procedural and object-oriented programming language. Okay. So now you have to see about the key features of Python. What is the major key features of Python? It is a general purpose of programming language which can be used in the both scientific and non-scientific programming language. It is in the platform of interacting programming language. It is a platform. So Python is a platform of creating the interactive programming language, which programming language written in easily readable and understandable formatting. It can be easily readable formatting and it can be easily understandable formatting. So in this major platform, Python is a major platform interacting in a programming language based on written by this Python are easily readable and understandable. So it is very easy compared to the C and C++. In C++ programming language, it can be contained of more than 50 lines. See, listen, in C programming language, it can contain 50 line means in C++ it should be reduced to 20 or 25. In C++, it can reduce it by 25 or 20. In Python programming language, it can be reduced to only in 15 lines or 14 lines. So it should be reduced. Very easy, user friendly atmosphere. Working with it's very easy to compare with C and C++. When we give the command, it can be accepted. When we didn't give the command means simply silent. It cannot be give the error message. It cannot be giving there some file missing, some file corrupted. Nothing it should be given. Only simply it can be created by the programming concept as well as in their script mode concept. It is a major features of creating these two level of programming language interacted with this Python concept. So Python is a major features of creating this using this programming. Okay. So next we have to see about this major features of variables. So in the programming in the Python created by the values of variable created by their IDLE. It is a major features. So what is mean by their IDLEs? IDLE. IDLE means a interactive development learning environment. It is a major feature created by the Python programming organization. So this should be the these environmental should be created by the Python programming. So based on the Python is a international programming language. So Python is why should we created a Python as a international programming language? It is and should be a one created by the website. It can be created by the web pages or web browsers. So whatever it may be, it should be created by the script mode or programming language mode. Python can support either Oracle or Visual Basic or .NET or C or C++. whatever it may be, Python is a basic platform created by this programming. So it can be interacted with C or C++. It is a major features of creating the Python. Okay, Python can be developed by their interactive development learning environment. So it can be major features of created by this learning environment purpose. So whatever it may be learning, still learning, you have to go for learning purpose. Whatever it may be learn, created by these Python languages. So programming using in Python, whatever program should be, we can use it in this Python. So Python programming can be written in a two way of, one is named by the interactive mode and other one is a script mode. So Python program should be created in a two major methods. One is interactive modes, other one is a script mode. So what is mean by the interactive mode? Interactive mode allows you to return the code from the Python command prompt. What is mean by the command prompt? We have to see about the start command. In our computer there will be a one start command. So clicking the start command, there will be a run command will be there, RUN. Here we type as a CMD. It can be written as a command prompt. So type as a command prompt CMD. It can go for a DOS mode, MS DOS mode. So not the in that place DOS mode, you have to type as a interactive mode. So interactive mode allows you to return the code in the Python programming commands, promoting in their interactive modes. So interactive mode is a major features of creating in this while creating in their script mode. So interactive mode is a major features of creating programming. So other one is a script mode. In script mode, programs can be written in stored in a script file. So script mode, in script mode, interactive mode file will be stored as per it is a documentations or whatever it may be, created in a C or C++, or in script mode the program written in a script stored in a script file and extended in a .py. Okay. So in computer there will be the major two categories. One category is a GUI and other one is a CUI. So first category will be created as a graphical user interface and other one will be as a character user interface. So what is mean by as a graphical user interface created by this programming? What is meant by the character user interface? It should be written by the alphabetical letters or numerical values or some other graphical elements. So whatever should be character user interface mean alphabetical values A to Z, the name should be given. So in these categories it can be divided into main two names. One is, suppose you got to save the file as a .py. So this file will be separated by the comma. So it is a main component and other one is a extension component, exe component. The file will be saved as a two major categories. One is a main component, other one is a exe component. These major two categories are separated by commas. So this is a separated by commas values. Okay. So in this Python programming, extended script mode used for creating and editing the Python source file. So wherever it should be written, wherever the command should be written, wherever the file should be written, wherever the program should be written, it is called as a source code, source programming. So the source file will be saved in their script mode. The file should be typed in a script mode and saved as in a .py. So the file should be saved in a .py, save as a script mode. So first you have to see about the interactive mode of a programming. Interactive mode, Python can code in directly typed in this, interpreted, displayed in a result immediately. So wherever it should be written, now we have to type with the Python programming language. In interactive mode, result will be seen in a bottom. So the screen will be like this. In interactive mode, the coding will be typed here. Here will be see as a output result. So in script mode, you have to see about in the DOS command. But in a interactive mode method, you have to type the program in. The screen will be divided into two categories. First one is the typing category, other one is the error detection place. So here we see about this interactive mode. In The program will be typed as a here we see as a result. It is called as the interactive mode. The simple interactive mode displayed in the result immediately. The interactive mode can be also be used in a simple calculation. This will be used as a easy, and it is evaluated by the easily simple calculation method. It is called as a interactive mode. So invoking by the Python IDLE links. So interactive file will be directed in a learning environmental process to be created by the IDEL Pythons called as a Python.3x. Okay. So in this programming, the Python program interact with their interpreter ready to accept their instruction. How can the Python program will be accepted as a all commands and instruction? So in Python you have to save the file as a p.py, and you have to type the programming in a interactive mode. So here is the interactive mode. The script will be divided as a two main things. First one is a here is a interactive mode. You have to type the Python programming code. Here you type the result will be comes under here. So you have to see the result. The screen will be divided into split into two screens. So here will be see as a coding, here will be see as a output result. So screen will be splitted. So now you have to type as a Python promotions code PYTHYN. This major symbols will be created by Pythons. It is a symbol of created by Python invoking symbol. Okay. So interact with their interpreter for ready to accept the instruction themselves. The promote the screen means IDEL. Working in an interactive mode. Now to try to use the simple calculation using the simple mathematical expression. What is the mathematical expression? Mathematical expressions will be calculated by the Python programming. Mathematical calculation also done in the Python programming, as well as done in the C programming, as well as in the C++ programming, whatever it may be. It is a user-friendly atmosphere created by the Python. So what is the mathematical calculation? So simple calculation. A equal to 5, B equal to 6, C equal to 11. So this calculation should be created by coding. This coding should be interacted with IDEL mode. IDEL method should be created by the coding. So in this, based on this category, the symbols will be the major use of creating by the interactive mode. So the interactive mode should be created by simple calculation. What else should be a simple calculation? Coding should be separated. 5 plus 6. Okay, the answer should be given by the 11. The interactive mode created by the 11 means the value should be created. So here should be the coding. 5 plus 10 equal to 15. So this is a major symbol created by the interactive operations. So Python programming language here should be created, whatever it may be, is based upon this variable and created by the value separated by two categories. First thing will be created, and next we have to type as a 5 star 6 as well as created by the 11. Okay, not 11, 5 into 2, star means 2, give 10. Result should be 10. Okay, it is the interactive mode. So next we got to see about the script mode. The script mode programming. Basically the script mode is a text file containing in the Python statement. Python scripts are a reusable code. The interactive mode is a single user created by this. This coding should be created for this programming. But in script mode, here should be created whatever it may be. It can be reused by any other programming. Suppose you are created by School of Management or Hospitality Management or Hotel Management. The Hotel Management program should be used in their different hotels, not only in some specific of a hotel. The hospitality is created, software will be created by this one hospital means the software will be created as a many hospitals. So same software will be created, but the little bit changes will be there. It is called as a script mode programming. Basically the script mode text file is connected in the Python statement. Python script is reusable code. The one script created by it can be executed, assigning the again and again without retyping. So listen, it is a major features of creating their script language. Script language is a major use of this. It is created by this. Once you have to create the script language, it cannot be created by again and again. Once should be you have to create a script language. But in interactive mode, each and every program should be created. Each and every program should be typed separately by the separate programming. But in script mode, there should be nothing should be typed in here, each and every programming. Simple thing. Basically, script mode file should be the Python statement script reusability code. Why should the script should be reusable? The script should be reusable. Once the script created, it can be executed again and again. It can be created by again and again without replacing the script, without editing the programming, without editing the script code. Should be created by again and again. So it is with the major uses of script. So script language is basically used of the major uses. So creating the script file, how should we create the script file in Python? Okay, script file is a major file should be created, major program should be created, major operations should be created, major file, major operations, major programming, major things should be used in for script mode. Okay, the file should be saved. So until the file should be saved in a script language. Okay, thank you.